Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad dan Hussaini bin Zulkifli. Today I'll be presenting about soap for my CHM131. Alright, let's begin. What is soap? Soap is a potassium salt of a long fatty acid used in a variety of cleansing and lubricating products. Fatty acid is a long chain of carboxylic acid, which is up to 12 to 18 carbon atoms per molecule. Physical properties of soap is it is water soluble, smooth, and foamy. Soaps are also surface active substances, also known as surfactants, which make water better at cleaning surfaces. The basic structure of all soap is essentially the same. It is consisting of a long hydrophobic tail and a hydrophilic head. We'll get more to that later. In a domestic setting, soaps are surfactants usually used for washing, bathing, and other types of housekeeping. Humans have been making soap since the ancient times. One of the oldest known records of soap is recorded by the ancient Babylonians. They are the ones who invented soap, and evidence for this are Babylonian clay containers dated at 2800 BC. Inscription on the containers present the earliest known written soap recipe, and it stated that the product was made from fats combined with wood ash and water. The ancient Babylonians used a method that was called as saponification to make soaps. Early soap makers are believed to have used ashes and animal fats. Simple wood or plant ashes contain potassium carbonate were dispersed in water, and fats were added to the solution. The mixture was then boiled, and ashes was added again and again and again as the water evaporated. During this process, a slow chemical splitting of a neutral fat took place. The fatty acids could then react with the alkali carbonates of the plant ash to form the soap. Now let's get back to the hydrophobic and the hydrophilics. The basic structure of all soaps are essentially the same, consisting of a long hydrophobic, which is water-fearing hydrocarbon tail, and a hydrophilic, water-loving and ionic head. Hydrophobic. Hydro means water and phobic means phobia or afraid of, which means hydrophobic means water-fearing. So it doesn't love to it don't mix well with water. And hydrophilics means water-loving, means it dissolves in water. Right. Next is how the soap clean and remove the grease from the cloth. First, when the soap is added to the water, the soap molecule dissolve in the water and reduce the surface tension of the water because it's a surfactant. Then the water wets the dirty surface on the cloth. Next, the hydrophobic part dissolve in the grease or the dirt because hydrophobic doesn't like water, so it dissolve in the grease. Then the hydrophilic part dissolve in the water. When the water is agitated, the movement of the water help the hydrophobic part to pull away the grease from the surface of the cloth. Then the grease is lifted of the surface of the cloth and suspended in the water. The hydrophobic part emulsifies and breaks up the grease into small droplets. Then the soap bubble helps to float the grease emulsion in the water. When the water is rinsed, the grease and the dirt will be removed together with the water. The last thing that I'm going to discuss is the comparison between soap and detergent. Soap are made from all natural sources such as animal fats and vegetable oils. It is biodegradable, which means it will degrade over time, and it will not cause pollution to the surrounding environment. While detergents, on the other hand, are made from synthetic sources like petroleum cracking. It is not biodegradable. The detergent will kill aquatic life and will cause pollution to the river. That's all from me. Thank you.